Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday, February 9, 2018. And this morning I'm headed over to a volunteer project with Rebuilding Together. I believe that's the organization name. We're working on a project that we had started a couple of weeks ago that we had to wait on some materials, and so we're just going back now to work on finishing it up. But I wanted to release or announce, and I don't have enough visibility yet. I can't see anything. I wanted to announce the Testo 420 giveaway in a more visible manner, I suppose. The Testo 420 video that I started using as a promo was not intended necessarily to be a giveaway video. I had always intended to do it as a separate entity, but once I was made aware that I could offer it up, then I turned that usage video into a promotional video. So that's really all I wanted to offer up this morning. The Testo 420 is up for grabs. There's a video by the title of Testo 420 on my channel I don't know, by now it's been a few weeks, hasn't it? But you can either comment on this video to say that you want it, or comment on the Testo 420 video that is listed on my channel previously. So if you'd like to put your hands on a Testo 420, leave a comment and let me know. If what was I thinking? Just lost my train of thought. All you have to do is leave a comment on the video. Either this video saying that you want it, or the Testo 420 video, and you'll be entered to win. Oh, I was going to talk about what it takes to win. Just got to leave a comment, and then once I close the giveaway, we'll just be taking comments and picking one. I think I'm going to let this one run a good while longer, maybe with a couple of reminders every once in a while. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and I don't know, I'm almost to 15,000 subscribers, so maybe I let it run until I hit 15. I think it's going to be sort of a wait and see what seems most what seems most appropriate. So just leave a comment on this video or the Testo 420 video, and we'll put you in the running to win a Testo 420 flow hood. I've enjoyed using it, and I am not giving away my only one. I was fortunate enough to receive an extra, so I'm going to give that one away. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget you can use coupon code RARDON at TrueTechTools.com to save 7% on your purchase. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.